The White House says the federal government will be doing more as fires continue to burn in Los Angeles. President Biden announced the federal government will now cover 100% of costs for the initial disaster response, including debris removal, temporary shelter, and salaries for first responders for up to 180 days. He says generators for water supply and more firefighting equipment, including equipment coming from Canada, are also on the way. And he called on Congress to do more.
I'm going to make an appeal right now to the United States Congress. They're going to have to step up when we ask for more help. More help to get these people the kind of shelter they need, to get the kind of help they need, because it really does matter.
Vice President Harris also addressed the ongoing issues with the home insurance market in California and the impact these wildfires could have on families.
Sadly, many insurance companies have canceled insurance for a lot of the families who have been affected and will be affected, which is only going to delay or place an added burden on their ability to recover.
The vice president and president also heard from a FEMA official who said he anticipates there will be gaps in coverage and that federal agencies and nonprofits alike will have to step in to offer assistance. So I spoke one-on-one today with California's insurance commissioner, taking these concerns directly to him. Swirling like embers are concerns that many who lost their home in the Los Angeles wildfires also lost insurance coverage as their policy was canceled or non-renewed in recent months.
We're going to see who's non-renewed. We're also looking at if you were non-renewed, but you're still essentially covered within the deadline, then do you still have coverage?
California Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara points out state regulation requires insurance companies to give customers 75 days notice before their policy is canceled or non-renewed. So even if someone got a notice before the fires, they might still have coverage.
The other question is, what happens to the folks who are not insured? So we're going to rely on the federal government and FEMA to offer services and the state to be able to offer some sort of reprieve for folks who may not have coverage. But right now we're in the middle of assessing what insurance are covered in the area, who doesn't have coverage.
He says it's too soon to estimate a dollar figure for the losses, especially since homes and businesses are still actively burning and threatened.
My job at this moment is to make sure that insurance companies pay these claims out as quickly as possible.
Many homes here are on the expensive and bare-bones California FAIR Plan, a state-mandated, privately funded insurer of last resort. The number of people on the FAIR Plan ballooned in recent years as private insurers have paused or limited business in California, citing the rising risk of wildfires, high cost of rebuilding homes, and state regulations. I asked Laura.
So just to be clear, FAIR Plan customers who lose their home can expect to be paid out?
Absolutely.
In a statement, the FAIR Plan told ABC 10, "We are aware of misinformation being posted online regarding the FAIR Plan's ability to pay claims. The FAIR Plan has payment mechanisms in place, including reinsurance, to ensure all covered claims are paid." As for future fires, Commissioner Lara has enacted a one-year moratorium on insurance companies dropping or non-renewing customers within the immediate area of the Los Angeles wildfires. So those who do have coverage right now will continue having it for at least a year. State lawmakers are offering solutions too. Today, 2 assembly members introduced a bill that would authorize the FAIR Plan to request bonds from the state in the event the FAIR Plan faces liquidity challenges following a major catastrophe such as a wildfire. That money would help finance the cost of paying insurance claims. The To The Point team spent months digging into the home insurance crisis, hearing from homeowners, Congress members, and the insurance commissioner about how we got to this point and what could be done to help. You can stream this special investigation right now on ABC 10 Plus. Just look for California's insurance crisis on the home screen.